My name's Jason McKercher with AtomJet Industries. I'm here today to show you how to install AtomJet dual chute scrapers on your SDX drill. Your scraper assembly will arrive with 3 pieces, along with a spring and a variety of nuts and bolts. You'll need the following tools for this task: a 9/16 inch wrench, a 3/4 inch wrench, a hammer, and a pair of vice grips. A 2-inch wide spacer will help to position the mount assembly properly on the arm. Start on a workbench and make sure that the scraper moves freely on the hinge. If it doesn't, the bushing on the scraper may need to be drilled out using a 3/8 inch drill bit. Install your spring between the scraper and the hinge mount. You may need to strike the spring with a hammer to get it to seat fully in the pocket on the back of the scraper. Next, we'll loosely bolt the scraper and hinge to the leaf spring mount. Insert one of the long carriage bolts into the main mount assembly and place the top plate on the bolt, securing it with a lock washer and nut. Next, we will hang the assembly on the main arm of the shank. Use a pair of vice grips to clamp the scraper open on the hinge to remove tension off the spring. This lets you adjust it freely. Rotate the assembly and install the 3 remaining bolts to secure the top plate on the arm. Use your 2-inch spacer, placing it against the lower spring mounts on the arm to properly position the scraper assembly on the shank. Tighten those 4 bolts on the top mount evenly, making sure the plate is level compared to the arm. Next, you can adjust the scraper by removing the vice grip and gently snugging the carriage bolts on the hinge. Adjust the scraper so the leading edge is flush from top to bottom and snug against the disc. There should be a minimal gap between the scraper and the disc at the leading edge. If there is a gap, adjust it so it's tight at the bottom. A gap at the top can be tolerated. Tighten the 2 carriage bolts that we installed earlier. Then check the action of the spring to ensure that it opens up and snaps back firmly and square against the disc. Using the adjustment bolt on the underside of the mount assembly, we will adjust the scrapers to the edge of the bevel on the disc, making sure they are equal and consistent across the drill. Install your new hose on the 2nd chute of the scraper, securing it with a hose clamp or a screw, and reinstall your main spring on the arm of the SDX drill. Congratulations! You've just successfully installed your set of AtomJet dual chute scrapers on your SDX drill. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please contact us at 1-800-573-5048 or find us on the web at atomjet.com.